The district is working to educate the community on mental health. After receiving millions of dollars in grant money, they're using the resources for their students and far beyond. Local News 8's Allison Zimmerman met with the director of the program and attended a community youth mental health first aid training hosted by them.
If somebody hears a youth say that, then it's just kind of like, now what do I do?
It's something many people struggle with: depression, anxiety, and even suicidal thoughts.
It's just something that really shocks you. You don't see it coming.
The quicker we can intervene, well, maybe we can prevent problems down the road.
Which is why Madison Cares, an arm of the Madison School District, is educating people on how they can help teens and youth during difficult times.
Each day you need to help them deal with that, and some days are better than other days.
Looking for changes, looking for something that is different now than it's been before.
With limited mental health resources across the West, Madison Cares hosts training such as this youth mental health first aid training. Now, Madison Cares hasn't done this alone. 6 years ago, they received a federal grant for $8.9 million. And just this last spring, they received a $4 million extension grant, all going to help out and give people mental health resources.
I think that we were highly considered for that expansion grant because of the quality of work that we've been doing. And
their work is even inspiring several BYUI students to get involved and help out with the cause as well.
Some children will have mental health issues, and I want to be prepared for that.
I am most concerned about the future of mental health is the perception.
The last 6 years, Madison Cares has seen a huge growth with how they've been able to reach out to the community.
We did 1,920 home visits last year.
Compared to before that,
we weren't working with any youth or families.
In Rexburg, I'm Allison Zimmerman.
Quite an improvement there. Madison Cares hopes to include a program for military families in the future. They're also hosting more mental health first aid trainings. For a list of the dates, you can head to our website at localnews8.com.